Good day everyone, I am Dr. Praveen Jacob and today I am going to talk about the difference between prebiotics and probiotics. We all have a notion that bacteria are bad because it can cause us lot of diseases. But you need to understand that our body is made up of two types of cells, not just cells which we have inherited from our parents. Bacterial cells and our own cells. For example, we inherit 40 trillion human cells from our parents and we also inherited 60 trillion bacterial cells. So number of bacterial cells are slightly outnumber our own cells. Amongst the bacterial cells, there are two kinds of bacteria in the body. One is good group of bacteria, next one is bad set of bacteria. So all bacteria are not bad. As high as 99.99% bacteria are beneficial. They are very much important to maintain skin health, nose, mouth, especially in the gut. These bacteria are obtained particularly during the birth and they live with us throughout our lives. The good bacteria help in healthy growth, in protecting the body from invaders. So one of the major aspect of good bacteria, they are indispensable requirement of our immunity. They helps to produce our brain hormones. Unhealthy lifestyle and bad environment, antibiotic consumption and cesarean sections all have impact on our gut health today, which can change the bacterial constitution of our body. The bad bacteria, once it proliferate in our body and which can contribute to different type of disorders such as obesity, asthma, ulcerative colitis, etc., etc., etc. Therefore, in order to maintain healthy bacteria in the human body, prebiotics and probiotics are most essential. What is the difference between pro and prebiotics? The probiotics are the live strains of good bacteria that when added to the diet helps to maintain a good bacterial balance in the body. Whereas the prebiotics are specialized plant fibers that act as food for the good bacteria. Let's compare the probiotics to the seeds soaked in mud, whereas prebiotics to the fertilizer which nourish the seeds. So seeds are probiotics and the fertilizers are prebiotics. The combination of both helps to cure any gut related ailments and particularly autoimmune disorders. I have numerous autoimmune patients, ulcerative colitis, gastritis, even migraine. Do you know one fact? It is not caused by your head. It is not caused by stress. It is not caused by bad food habit. The culprit of migraine is a bad bacteria in your stomach called as H. pylori bacteria. So if you treat your head, never ever get cure. If you target your gut for migraine, for depression, even depression, there is a strong component of bad bacteria because 90% of brain hormones are produced by gut bacteria. Later it goes to your brain. Therefore, when you have bad gut, you get migraine, you get depression, anxiety, even it can step you into suicide tendency as well. Probiotics are mainly found in buttermilk, fermented foods, pickles, sauerkraut, etc. And prebiotics are found in flax seeds, sabja seeds, onion, banana flowers, tender jackfruit, guava fruits, etc. Therefore, I conclude by requesting all of you to fix your gut by this golden combination of prebiotics and probiotics. Thanks for watching my video.